The real-life drama for Lindsay Lohan is taking more last-minute twists and turns than a Hollywood script. Tonight, the actress tweeted, "The only bookings I'm familiar with are Disney films. Never thought I'd be booking into jail. Eek." She's supposed to serve her 90-day sentence at the women's detention facility in Linwood.
I think the chances she's going to be serving the actual 90 days in jail are slim to none.
Criminal defense attorney Dimitri Gorin has had clients sent to the same facility. While not involved in Lohan's case, he says even if power attorney Robert Shapiro has pulled out, Lohan will still likely head to jail. Shapiro had said he'd represent the actress if she agreed to jail and follow his instructions, including attending rehab. She was reportedly staying in Pickford Loft Sober Living. It's a house Shapiro founded after his son's death. But tonight we captured Lohan's assistant removing bags and luggage, loading them into a car and driving off. Lohan's original attorney, Sean Chapman Hawley, dropped her too, but since she's yet to sign the substitute of attorney form, she'll likely be obligated to represent Lohan in court tomorrow.
I think with Lindsay Lohan, law enforcement understands there's definitely going to be a lot of scrutiny. They're under the microscope here. And unfortunately for Lindsay, she will serve the 25%.
And Gorin says, according to him, that overcrowding is the issue here and that most female inmates only serve about 25% or 1/4 of their sentence time. He says for Lohan, that'll be about 3 weeks in a solitary cell.